The memory structure for ladder logic programming is just like that of a computer. It is made up of bits, bytes, words and double words. Bit, the smallest memory unit. It is either 1, true, or 0, false. Byte, is made up of 8 bits. Word, is made up of 16 bits or 2 bytes. Double word, is made up of 32 bits, 4 bytes or 2 words. In order for the PLC to process the ladder logic rungs, each symbol needs to be allocated to a variable. Name, whether it's an input, output or internal data. There are 3 essential elements that must be defined when declaring a variable and 1 optional element. Variable name, the name must be unique and is used to make the ladder logic easily readable by human beings, such as yourself. There will be restrictions on the length and sometimes characters that can be used. Address, the address can be either an input, output, internal or system memory address. The address nomenclature is dependent on the PLC manufacturer. Data type, the data type used will depend on the symbol being used and the programming operation required. Defining a variable as a Boolean, means it has a binary value. An int, integer, means it has a whole number value, and a real, floating point, means it has a number value with a decimal point. Comment, adding a comment is optional, but can assist in describing the variable if the amount of characters in the variable name was insufficient. Different PLC manufacturers use slightly different naming conventions for variables and memory allocation. It's just a matter of checking the PLC's help file to determine what to use. Some examples of variable addressing nomenclature for different PLC. Upload and download your ladder logic program. Once your ladder logic program is complete, you will need to compile the program. The Compile button is usually located in the toolbar. Compiling the program is just checking for syntax, memory and program structural errors. If there are any issues, then error messages will be generated that directly points you to the source of the problem. Once all the errors are fixed, it's time to download to the PLC. The download button is also usually located in the toolbar of the PLC programming software.